What started out as fun quickly turned to disaster. The EXO X7 Ranger Plus has a tendency to do runaways, and mine ran away on me 3 times. The video that you're viewing here is the second runaway. The Ranger just decided to get some volume, or get some altitude, went up, and then just started flying into the tree. As you see, it hit the tree 3 times before it hit the ground, and our relationship is over. I talked to EXO, and they refused a warranty claim, even though the drone's still under warranty. So I'm stuck with a drone that I have no confidence in and can't fly. So save your money, guys. Don't buy this thing. And the obstacle avoidance was on while all of this happened.